Ibrahim from the US.
Assalamu alaikum.
Alaikum salam wa rahmatullah.
I heard a sheikh say if you're in a gathering where Allah is being mentioned, if in the house of Allah or any other place, the angels cover you with their wings, and then after that, they tell Allah we were at this place with these people. And Allah says, did they ask something from me? And the angels say they are asking for Jannah and protection from Jahannam. And Allah says He will protect them from Jahannam and grant them Jannah. And the Shaykh says this is if they die on the same day. So is this authentic? Can I inshallah every day have a gathering with my friend talking about Islam?
I don't know where the Sheikh brought the condition that people die on the same day. Maybe there is a hadith that I forgot or I did not come across. I don't know. We have to see his evidence. But the hadith is general, that Allah Azza wa Jal sends the angels of morning and the angels of evening, and they meet and they come and ascend to Allah when Allah asks them, and Allah knows more than them. But this is to show His creation. Where have you come from? And they said, we came from the people that we left in the evening and that we left them in the morning. And they were mentioning your name, asking for your bounties and favors and blessings, and seeking refuge in you from your torment and wrath. So this is given from Allah Azza wa Jalla as a gift, but it has nothing to do with it being a condition that you die on the same day, and Allah knows best.